If you're looking to access travel security alerts in Navan, you're in the right place. This software can keep you up to date on the latest global travel security developments, but knowing exactly how to navigate and use this feature is key to getting the most out of it. Stick around as we break down exactly how you can access travel security alerts in Navan and keep your trip safe and hassle-free. And before we dive in, did you know that you can try Navan for free with exclusive bonuses through the link below? You'll definitely want to stay tuned for that. When you first log into Navan, the platform offers a centralized dashboard where you can manage and organize all your travel details. To access the travel security alerts, head over to the Travel Alerts section. You'll find this in the main menu or in your notifications if you've set up the alert preferences previously. This is where Navan starts to shine because it not only provides real-time alerts, but you can filter them based on your travel itinerary. This means you're only getting alerts that are most relevant to you, whether it's news on political unrest, natural disasters, or even public health advisories. Once you're in the Travel Alerts section, you can customize your notification settings. By adjusting your preferences, you'll receive alerts directly to your phone or email, ensuring you're always in the loop no matter where you are. You can also set specific parameters, such as the type of alerts you want to receive, whether that's general travel news or more urgent specific warnings based on your location. Another important feature here is the ability to view the severity of each alert. Navan categorizes the alerts into levels ranging from low to high urgency, so you can prioritize which alerts need immediate attention. This makes it easier to make informed decisions quickly, especially if something critical happens while you're abroad. Navan also integrates this alert system with your travel bookings, so if you're traveling for business or leisure, you'll automatically get updates that are connected to your specific trip. For example, if there's a sudden change in the security status of a city you're flying to, Navan will push that alert directly to you, and you can check any necessary details without having to search through external sources. If you're still figuring out how to get the most out of the Navan platform, you're not alone. But the key takeaway is simple. By properly configuring your travel security alerts in Navan, you are setting yourself up for smarter, safer trips. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're new to Navan, there's a great opportunity for you to explore the platform completely for free. You can access the software and its full range of features, including the security alerts, through the link in the description with exclusive bonuses that you won't find elsewhere. This gives you a risk-free way to test the platform and see how it works for your travel needs. So, to recap, accessing travel security alerts in Navan is easy, customizable, and incredibly valuable for anyone who travels frequently. With real-time notifications, tailored alerts, and integration with your travel plans, this tool is essential for anyone looking to stay safe and informed on the go. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and start using Navan today to get ahead of the curve in travel security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive bonus with the link in the description.